Shut it down.
Today we're going to do an unboxing of the brand new soundbar that we got sent to by Kspeaker. Kspeaker really specializes in motorcycles, but they're slowly getting into side-by-sides, and they sent us this nice soundbar for free to try out. Tyler's sound system in his buggy is way better than mine. What do you have in yours?
I have the Hyphonics that I swapped out some of the parts onto it because a lot of people know that they don't work great. Emily's just has,
it's just a crappy,
like a universal boat system, pretty much is what it is, like
yeah,
a waterproof boat system. It's not too fantastic, but it works. If we're not using that, we're not using the radios, we're using the headsets from Ridecom, and they work good as speakers too, but sometimes if you're hanging out, it's just nice to have the sound bar. But Kspeaker makes a lot of motorcycle speakers, like Emily said, and you read the reviews, their water resistance is really good. Sound quality is good even on a motorcycle. So, yeah, we're gonna open this up and see what it is. Got some paperwork with it. Zip ties, and they're not little ones either.
No, those are the nice zip ties.
I want to see these. Nope. Yeah, the tabs hold. And the K66 gives you a pamphlet, tells you what all it includes. Biggest thing is it actually includes some safety straps on it, which is nice in case you do roll down a hill. I don't know, we've never done that, so can't speak to that. Pretty much straightforward wiring, gives you different port options, all sorts of stuff for USB. Honestly, it's probably some of the better directions that I've gotten for some stuff. Cool thing about this is there's a remote, so you don't have to use your phone. Like if you're just hanging out at camp or something, you wire it 12 volt, you can just throw it in your trailer or camper and turn it on, I guess, as long as it's wired in. But that's like I like about what they did was they sent us 2 remotes, so Emily can have one in hers, and then I'll have one in mine. I'll just be shutting it off or changing the songs as we're going down the trail, so I think something's wrong with that too. So they send you a little tool bag. Honestly, it's actually kind of cool. It's like 2 10 mils, and one's on a 90 and one's straight. That's actually pretty decent. Spare parts. So they anticipate it. I mean, they say right on there. If I was, when we install this, it's definitely going to get Loctite on it. Just some blue Loctite or even some clear silicone you can put on there to stop the vibration. But all your mounts, your safety straps, spacers for the bar go here. Your clamps for 1 3/4. We got 1 3/4, and I'm not exactly sure. It looks like maybe 1 1/2. You got 2 different sizes here. It must be for different cage applications. And then a long power cable. So, yeah. All in all, the boxing's actually really good. Like, it's all right here.
It's a nice speaker too.
Yeah, it is. It's small. So, after you've done your install here, and by install I mean just a 12 volt loose battery that I have laying around, go through, and I mean literally as simple as that. It doesn't tell you how to wire it, which is kind of nice because it leaves you your freedom. Like in Emily's, it's just going to go right to a rocker switch on and off that's got key on power, or I might just put constant power in case we are somewhere and want to listen to music. Control. Sections. And batteries are included. Everything nowadays is batteries sold separately. Not this though. Alright, so let's see. Works. So. Alright, so power mode, short press Bluetooth, aux mode. Alright, so change it. Long press for RGB light mode. So if you press the light switch button here, you can control the lights and the colors. Alright, grab your phone.
Alrighty.
Open up your Bluetooth.
Bluetooth open. Ooh. Kspeaker K66 Plus.
Those go in there. Actually, I'm not even gonna get my tools out. I'm just gonna use what they gave us. Alright. Find where it lines up on both holes. Fat fingers and being cold ain't working out real well. Alright, so when you do this, squeeze them after you spread it, and then it slides right on. Like, holy shit, Dave.
And yes, we know it is upside down, but it has to be mounted this way.
The sound's gonna care so much it's upside down. The songs are gonna play backwards. It's like gonna be like Ozzy Osbourne singing normal. It's gonna be so backwards. It's gonna be fantastic. There's someone in the comments that's gonna say, it's gonna blow the motor up.
No, we don't get that many comments.
Not here. On Facebook, everybody's a hater.